Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a lime margarita at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need a good quality tequila, preferably a Blanco or Reposado, about 2 ounces per drink. Freshly squeezed lime juice is absolutely crucial for that vibrant, zesty flavor that defines a great margarita. Don't forget a good orange liqueur and a touch of agave nectar or simple syrup to balance the tartness. Achieving the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and strong is key to an outstanding margarita. Start by combining 2 ounces of your chosen tequila with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice in a shaker. Next, add 3/4 of an ounce of a quality orange liqueur, like Cointreau or Triple Sec, for that essential citrus sweetness. Finally, incorporate about 1/2 ounce of agave nectar or simple syrup to round out the flavors and prevent it from being too tart. Once your ingredients are in the shaker, it's time to chill and dilute your drink to perfection. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for at least 15 seconds or until the shaker feels very cold to the touch. While shaking, prepare your glass. A salt rim adds a classic touch. Finally, strain your perfectly chilled margarita into your prepared glass over fresh ice. The final touch makes all the difference for presentation and aroma. Garnish your freshly made margarita with a vibrant lime wheel or a simple lime wedge on the rim. This adds a beautiful visual element and a burst of fresh citrus scent with every sip. Serve your masterpiece immediately and savor the refreshing, balanced flavors you've created. For more great tips and deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade lime margarita.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.